In 1998, Toyota built a car so powerful, so legendary, that even 27 years later, no car has come close to replacing it. Engineers have tried. Fans have begged. Toyota even brought the name back. But nothing touched the original. This is the story of the Supra Malawian Quatches, the car that became a myth. Welcome back to Motorsphere, your home for everything fast, rare, and powerful. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic cars ever built, the Toyota Supra Malawian Quatches. Whether you know it from Fast and Furious, from Gran Turismo, or from a poster on your bedroom wall, this car means something. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why it will never truly be replaced. The Supra Malawian Quatches was born in 1993. Toyota wanted to build something special, a Grand Tourer that could also destroy supercars on the track. They gave it a 3.0-liter inline-six engine, the legendary 2JZ GTE, twin, turbocharged, bulletproof, capable of handling over 1,000 horsepower with just basic modifications. Let that sink in. Stock, it made 320 horsepower. But the engine itself, built to handle 3 times that. Toyota over-engineered it so much that tuners around the world turned it into a monster, and the engine didn't even break a sweat. Then in 2001, everything changed. A movie called The Fast and the Furious put orange Supra Malawian Quatches on screen, and the world lost its mind. Suddenly, everyone wanted one. Prices shot up. The car became a symbol of street culture, of speed, of freedom. But here's what people don't talk about. The Supra was already legendary before that movie. Japanese tuners had been building 1,000 horsepower Supras since the mid-90s. Fast and Furious didn't create the legend. It just introduced it to the world. Let's talk about the real reason the 4 Malawian Quatches is untouchable, the 2JZ engine. This engine is so strong that people still use it today in drag racing, time attack, and drift builds. It has a closed deck block, meaning the cylinder walls are fully supported. It runs forged internals from the factory. And it was designed with so much headroom that mechanics joke, the 2JZ doesn't have a limit, your wallet does. No modern sports car engine comes close to this kind of tunability. Not the new Supra engine. Not most European rivals. The 2JZ is simply one of the greatest engines ever made. In 2019, Toyota brought the Supra name back. The 5 Malawian Quatches. And on paper, it looked good, BMW engine, sharp styling, decent power. But the community rejected it. Why? Because it wasn't built by Toyota alone. It shared a platform with the BMW Z4. It had a 4-cylinder option. And it didn't have that raw, tunable, screaming inline-six soul that made the 4 Malawian Quatches special. Toyota gave us the name, but not the feeling. And in the car world, feeling is everything. Today, a clean 4 Malawian Quatches Supra costs anywhere from $80,000 to over $200,000. A car that sold for around $40,000 new in the 90s. That's not just appreciation, that's a car becoming art. Collectors are buying them. Museums want them. And every year the price goes higher. The 4 Malawian Quatches Supra isn't just a car anymore. It's a piece of history. And history only gets more valuable with time. So will we ever see a true replacement for the Supra 4 Malawian Quatches? Honestly, no. You can't recreate lightning in a bottle. You can't engineer nostalgia. The 4 Malawian Quatches was the perfect car at the perfect time, with the perfect engine. And that combination will never happen again. If you're new here, welcome to Motorsphere. Subscribe if you love real car content. And drop in the comments, do you think any modern car can replace the 4 Malawian Quatches Supra? I'll be reading every single one. See you in the next video.